I need to prepare for my interview. I'll choose an outfit and practice my answers to the questions.
Playing professional soccer will be my future job, but currently, I'm a waiter.
Course. Volunteer. Prepare.
If you want to be a nurse, you have to take an exam with questions about medical information. I'm working as a waiter.
Exam.
Is she working as a chef?
Have you prepared for it?
You
Prepared.
prepare.
Prepared. Prepared. How should I prepare for the interview?
This exam is really important.
On stage.
Farm.
Exam. 70. Flu.
A business exam. Business. Exam.
Ready.
Do you have a job? You need to prepare. Need to prepare.
Are you a teacher? Currently. Teacher.